you check all the other breakers?
Yeah.
All the every breakers on?
I will check them.
But they should all be in the same position? Well, this is frustrating. So what do you guys think that we should tackle first?
Satellite dish.
Satellite dish. How come?
Because we can get up on the roof.
Maybe not, but you might get on a ladder. We'll see. So, all right, let's look at our list, and then we're going to go from there. There is the culprit. I don't know about you guys, but we haven't ever, since we've been married in our life, had satellite. But this has been on the roof, and we need to get it down. Also, there's another one on the higher part of the roof that Jessica wants me to get down.
How about no?
I don't think that's happening. I think this is going to be a lot better. Brought me some tea.
Yep.
All right, dude.
And this is full of tea too. No, it's not.
Is that for you?
Yep.
That's what you need.
It's water.
Giant deal of tea. All right, thanks, dude.
With your water.
A little tea on a hot day. Okay, so I've got that dish pulled down and I have no clue where we're gonna put it. I don't know. Maybe I'll see if I can convince Jessica. We'll put it in the house somewhere. From here, I'm gonna move on to the next project, which is we're gonna work on the air conditioner unit. We realized that we went most of the summer and hadn't cleaned the coils or anything on the heat and air unit, so we're doing that now. The first thing you gotta do, you get ready to do something like this, guys. First of all, if you're not comfortable doing this, don't do it, but this is something you can pretty easily do. Turn the breaker off. The other thing you want to do is, this is a disconnect, and hopefully there's not a wasp or a spider in there. But anyway, you pull that loose. Just pull that, and that's just a little, just like a disconnect, just to be safe. Grab the wagon, move that, and then Cohen, take that hose around to there. And then you guys will bring the hose around here because we're going to wash all this out, okay? For some reason, they thought it was a good idea to put the dryer vent right here where the air conditioner unit's at. And so it blows crap in there all the time. And so right now, those coils look terrible. So we're going to grab the hose now. We're going to start spraying that out.
All right, so we've made some progress, and I think we all voted to take a break and go get some lunch. So we're gonna head to the Lord's Chicken Place, which I think we can all agree is Chick-fil-A. Would you agree with that?
Sure. Yes.
I guess Chick-fil-A or Zaxby's. I feel like Zaxby's could be.
Or Slim's.
Slim's?
Slim's.
I don't know. Slim's is good though.
Chicken's kind of small.
Chicken's. Anyway, so we will we'll catch back up with you guys here shortly.
The lunch trip to Chick-fil-A turned into a trip to Lowe's, Target, and Walmart for groceries. The next up on our list of things we need to get done today is we've got to change this light switch a little bit. If you caught our video where we removed our ceiling fan and we put in a Sputnik light, we ended up not needing both of these switches, but I left one of them in and I just kind of capped the wires off up in the ceiling. So I need to get in here. I'm going to open this up and I need to remove one of these switches, and these are smart switches. So we're going to move one of these over to our closet upstairs. These are TP-Link Casa smart switches. Highly recommend them. They're a little higher than some of the kind of off-brand stuff on Amazon, but they pretty much work every time. I'm gonna go down and turn the breaker off.
Okay.
If you were doing this and you didn't have a voltage checker, you definitely want to use a meter or something. So now we're going to take our grounds loose here. Again, we're just trying to remember for sure. This is the switch that we're removing. Okay. And our switch is freed up.
But those turned on. Want me to turn it off and back on?
Is this the one that said back porch?
Yeah. Why would it say back porch?
The other question is, why is it not working? Well, this is frustrating. Did you check all the other breakers? All the every breakers on?
I will check them.
They should all be in the same position. What in the world? Oh, there. Hey, Cohen.
What?
It's on.
Oh.
Whew.
That's what I thought. I thought it just needed a second.
It did. I thought maybe I took the wrong switch out.